Hello, I am Siddharth Mahale. This is our project Stream Data Analysis and Prediction of Weather using IoT Devices. Introduction. In the present days, IoT devices are used in various fields like that of smart homes, smart agriculture, weather monitoring, pulse checking in hospital, etc. IoT sensors are known for obtaining accurate values at low expenditure which are used in different fields. This project particularly aims to predict the weather conditions for upcoming years by using the data collected from IoT devices along with previously collected data. Problem statement. The problem statement is to collect the required data, in essence the temperature, pressure and humidity, and using the stream data tools to predict the present weather and future weather fluctuations. Objectives. The main objective of this project is to predict the accurate weather conditions in the form of a graph by the use of weather data collected by the IoT devices and pre-collected data. It also includes using the stream data tools effectively to dynamically transfer the data from producer to the consumer. Project specific requirements. Hardware requirements are Arduino Uno temperature and pressure sensor. We have used DHT11 sensor for this. Then pressure sensor. We have used BMP180 sensor for this, and a laptop with Windows 8 or Windows 10 for the present Arduino application to run. The software requirements are Ubuntu. We have done this project in Ubuntu, Arduino IDE application, Putty, PHP and MySQL. System architecture. It shows the flow of weather data. At first, the weather data is collected by IoT devices, which is sent to Arduino application. By the code written in it, the weather data is displayed. The weather data is stored in CSV file using Putty. This data is trained by producer code to the consumer code. The consumer code stores the data in the database as received from the producer simultaneously. This present data along with previously collected data is used for weather prediction. Methodology. This is the initial stage of the project. The IoT sensors DHT11 and BMP180 are connected to Arduino Uno, and temperature, humidity and pressure data are collected respectively. A programming code is written in Arduino application. This code displays the weather data in column format. An application called Putty is used simultaneously with Arduino application. Using Putty, this data is displayed in Putty console, which stores the data in CSV files. A producer Java program is written using Apache Kafka, which is a stream data tool. The program is intended to read the data stored in the CSV file and transfer it to the consumer. The transferred data, a topic is to be created using Kafka. The producer can send data to the topic using two modes, asynchronous and synchronous mode. In this project, the data is sent through synchronous mode. This topic is to be created before implementation of producer and consumer. The data is sent from producer is also displayed on the console. A consumer Java program is written using Apache Spark, which is also a stream data tool. This program is compiled to receive the data from the producer and simultaneously store it in the database. The data is sent dynamically from producer through the topic created beforehand. But the implementation requires Apache Kafka Zookeeper server and Apache Kafka server to be running. The data received by the consumer is displayed in the console. This data is simultaneously stored in the database using PHP, which is linked to the consumer program. The data then from the CSV files is thus stored in the database. The database holds data values of temperature, pressure and humidity of 2 decades spanning from the year 2001 to 2020 in monthly average values. The data collected in the database is combined with these values. A PHP code is written to depict the values in graphical form, which can accurately predict future weather conditions. Implementation. The implementation has following steps: fetching the data using IoT devices, streaming the data dynamically from the producer, collecting and storing the data in the database by the consumer program, using pre-existing database values along with collected values to predict the weather conditions, depicting the weather conditions using a graph. Data collection. This picture shows how the data is collected and is displayed by Arduino IDE. The values are stored in column form. This gets appended each time new values are added. Graph. This is how the graph is formed. This is a temperature graph. It shows the variations in temperature values in a day. The graph can also be plotted on monthly reading and yearly readings. By all the data combined in the database, we can depict a single graph which shows the variation in the weather data spanning 20 years. By looking at the variations, we can predict the values by averaging all the previous year's data. The conclusion. The proposed model acts as a prototype for weather prediction system. This project can be further modified for weather monitoring in airports and dockyards. In airports, it is extremely useful in weather monitoring for the takeoff and landing of the flights, and similarly in the dockyards for ships. It provides a database of monthly average values of the weather parameters from 2001 to 2020 for the present month. The prediction is also useful for agriculture, based upon which the farmers can decide the types of crops to be grown. Thank you.